been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
Alright, so we got to go out here and climb up on the RV. And that's because when we received the RV, it had a tree strike on it. Some sort of damage happened to it. What happened was the PDI, they just didn't do it right or something. And so it was hit all the way down to the fiberglass, and then they scratched the side here. So I need to patch the fiberglass. So what we got is some little JB weld mixed up. That'll work. And then we just cut up a credit card, an old credit card to use as the spatula. There is a scratch here. The paint will take care of that, and there's a scratch there, which I think the paint will take care of that. So thanks to Rockwood, they sent me the paint that matches this. This is part of the either the transport, or I honestly don't know when this happened, but all right, this is kind of a quick setting deal, so we'll let this set up. If you guys haven't used JB Weld before, that stuff works really good. But, for stuff like this, I mean, I could have just easily got fiberglass out and done Bondo and all that stuff, but I'm not doing that. That's you know, what you're supposed to do is like sand the area, take it down to primer or whatever, then go ahead and fill it with some sort of fiberglass resin or something like that, which I'm using this. And then once it's hardened, you need to sand it all down smooth to a certain finish, wet sand it, and then of course paint it. Well, I'm not doing that. I'm just thinking if there's anything else I need JB Weld for. Can you think anything?
No.
No, me neither. Oh yeah, maybe the bump stop on the trailer, on the truck. This is a problem with the Ford trucks, if you guys don't know. These things here.
Sold as one piece.
Yeah, and you can see I've got urethane on there holding it, and the urethane's finally coming apart, so maybe we'll just...
It's kind of expensive for as small as it is. It's like $20. But
yeah.
Ford was supposed to, at one time, supposed to replace it for us.
Yeah, that didn't
But
happen.
they didn't do that, so...
Time for JB Weld. JB Weld's a wonderful thing.
Don't bother buying the push pins for them, because there's none that match.
Yeah. Yeah, don't go to the auto store and think, oh, I'll just buy one that tries, you know.
We bought like 3 different ones. Spent like $15. We should have just ordered it.
All right, let's get this in here while we can. And voila. And we'll leave it just like that. It should dry up. That should be pretty good. But yeah, I had a urethane in there, and the urethane worked pretty good, but it started coming apart. And all this is, honestly, you don't even need these here. This is just for a little bit of vibration. You know, if there's a little bit of vibration going on there with the tailgate up, which we've never seen. It's not really a stop. It's just to help it with the aluminum bodies and the bed flex from the door, maybe flexing to, you know, as you're driving real crazy. Which I never
remember us replacing or repairing a pulley on an alternator that was chipped.
Yeah, with JB Weld.
Yeah, I think that was the same day that we bought an alternator, and they must have dropped it from 50 feet. It was shattered on the inside. Then when we got, it was dry already.
Yeah, you guys can see this is, I mean, it's already hardening. That was just putty, and now you can't even do it. It's a quick set. I like the quick set stuff, personally. That's just the way I like to do the stuff. So we're trying to get all our crap ready to at least be a little prepared to leave, which, you know, it's getting that time. Heidi got an early Mother's Day gift from our daughter and her husband and our grandson. So Heidi's, I'll tell you the story behind this. Heidi's been wanting one of these ever since we got rid of one of these, And the thing was, is when we bought her grandparents' house, there was a hammock in the backyard that, you know, was just a big metal frame, and it was old. It was from the 70s. So the canvas wasn't that great on it, and it was just something that we had moved into the place, and we're like, you know what, we need to get rid of some of this stuff. So anyways, ever since we got rid of it, she's been wanting it back. But this turns out to be a good one, which it looks pretty decent. We'll have the link down in the description of the video, and you can go explore it for yourself.
Maybe some type of instruction, maybe?
Nah, we can figure it out, I'm sure. So we'll go ahead and get this together and see what it's like. What's the weight limit on it?
They said both you and I can both fit on here.
Oh, I don't know about that.
I don't know, this is pretty heavy duty.
Yeah, it does look pretty heavy duty the more I'm looking at it. Just the support arms are the only thing that I see. They're kind of a little shady. Maybe that. No, I guess they're welded pretty good. I like the hammer tone finish. If you guys don't know, this is what they call a hammer tone. It's used to be put on automotive struts and stuff, but let's see what this looks like. Oh, and it does come with a cover, and it's heavy. This is heavy. It's like a rubber vinyl inside, and then it's canvas on the outside. Nice. It is heavy, I'll have to say that. So there it is. It's actually set up pretty nice. It's pretty simple to put together.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of adjustments. We had to figure out that you can stretch this out further, make it tighter. These are ball bearings on the end here, but it's definitely heavy duty. There's no doubt about it. Yeah, I don't know. So Heidi's going to take a nap, and I got to finish doing the paint repair.
I'm not taking a nap.
Yes.
I take naps all the time.
Good night. All right, so up the ladder we go here. I want to show you guys what it looks like currently. That's it there. Yeah, it's already hard. So we'll go ahead and put some paint on this now and just touch it up, make it look a little better. I'm not going to sand this. I'm not going to make it perfectly smooth. I just wanted to protect the fiberglass that was exposed, which really, it was just cosmetic more than anything else.
So someone suggested that I just cook a pound of bacon on the Suburban griddle, so that's what I'm doing. You can see I've had these on since the beginning, and it's not heating up very good over here. But looks like it's doing okay. It's seasoning a little bit of a bigger area. So we'll see how it turns out. Get some of this grease in the little grease pan there. I'm used to cooking on my induction cooktop, the bacon. Oh, it is heating up a little bit there. So this is my second part of the bacon package, and you can see I was talking to somebody, so I got little burned pieces, but that's okay. We're seasoning the griddle anyway, so looks like maybe it's working out pretty good. Bacon's messy though. I still think I'd rather do it in my induction cooktop. But it is quicker than my induction cooktop, because I can only put like 5 pieces on. I will have to say that this cooks a lot quicker than my little induction cooktop. So, much quicker. Still not heating up very good down here, so So I'm on my last 5 pieces of bacon, and I'm telling you that this is the quickest way to cook up a pound of bacon. Yeah, I do my induction cooktop with, you know, like I said, about 4 or 5 slices of bacon, and of course sometimes it depends on how much bacon I'm making. The induction cooktop will overheat. Well, you don't have a problem with the griddle here. It looks like it's off level a little bit though, because the grease isn't running into the little grease tray, but I will say that bacon on the griddle is definitely a win, because Michael just got out of bed, went to the bathroom, got dressed, and I'm done cooking the bacon. I've still been out here on the second batch. I don't know about cooking eggs on it. Maybe I'm not a griddle type person, or a griddle type girl. We'll see. Oh no, broken yolk. That's not good. It's been a long time since I broke a yolk. I think I need a little lid. They probably sell those on Amazon. It seems like they cook pretty good. I'm sure Michael would like them regardless. Well, anyway, I'm going to close this out. The griddle with bacon was a success. Eggs, not so bad. Talk to you later.